What's going on, YouTube Nation? This is Darth Dividend. I'm going to give you an update on my Rich Uncle's account. This is the BRIX REIT. I'm really excited to see this real estate crowdfunding platform grow. I got the update on March 1st, 2020, and I'm going to show you my dividends and how my account is doing, and if Rich Uncle's is showing you that they are giving the 6% like they promised in return. All right, so this is their vision basically in the BRIX REIT. They believe that demand for real estate serving generations Y and Z, which are 34 and younger, will continue to grow in years to come. A complementary demographic focus has already fueled demand for real estate serving our nation's oldest generation, resulting in an impressive growth in senior housing, skilled nursing facilities, and medical office buildings, according to Statistica. So this is on the Rich Uncle's website. So think about this. Look at the real estate investment trusts that are popping right now. LTC, some of the other senior living rates that are doing really well. So they're targeting generations Y and Z. I'm a millennial. I was just right at the millennial stage, like one of the latest millennials, if you want to say. Well, actually earliest, because I am 34. I'm considered a millennial, and I'm right at that era, right when it started. So they're saying, based on their belief, we see a strategic benefit in real estate opportunities that include student housing and rental apartments, quick service restaurants, QSRs, casual dining concepts, convenience stores, and fitness centers. This investment strategy could potentially benefit investors in many ways. Not only have we had more opportunities to deploy investment dollars, but we believe investors at the forefront of an emerging trend in real estate fueled by the nation's largest living demographic, according to an article by Financial Times. So these guys, when I started investing in them, they just focused on really student housing. Okay, this was the first thing. Then they decided to expand their portfolio, and let me tell you, they got big really fast when they started to expand their portfolio. That's what I really like about this BRIX REIT. They really kicked it up a notch. I love the way they give updates and how they get new places that they buy. They're very smart, strategic that way. So I remember this is the first. Right when I invested in these guys, this was the first one. This is in 2018. I think it was this one right here, the Ames in Idaho. It was the one in Idaho State. And then they got one in San Antonio. And then they got one in Champaign, Illinois. And then they got one in Austin, Texas. And then and then Manhattan, and then Fort Worth, Texas. So they're really starting to expand their portfolio. This is really fast. This is really impressive. And I'm really excited to see these grow. They actually had to stop one time with allowing us to reinvest dividends because so many people invested in them, and they wanted to make sure that they gave off that 6% return that they promised at the end of the year, which they have fulfilled. So they've been doing a really good job. It's not very expensive to invest in these guys, and there's a lot of potential with Rich Uncle's. So this is why I invested in them. I have Fundrise, I have Rich Uncle's. Now I have a 401k, and I have a M1 finance account, and now I have a E-Trade account. So my portfolio is very expanded. My goal is to make $1,000 to $3,000 a month on monthly dividends and $2,000 to $4,000 a month on quarterly dividends. And so far, the strategy is working, and I might exceed those expectations. So I might be a little bit more ambitious and start investing even more in certain type of dividend stocks that give off monthly dividends, and some of these real estate investment trusts that are giving off monthly dividends as well. So I'm really excited to see these things grow. In this place, I mean, who knows, if they go public, wow, that would be amazing. I mean, these guys are doing such a great job with their acquisitions. So here's my BRIX rate right now. I have $7,526.15, a total of 1,505 shares. So basically, I'm pretty sure the price per share is $5. My distribution is $645.24. So I put some money in these guys, and so far I'm getting some really good returns. and I'm just going to let the dividends reinvest over time and let these things do their thing. So I'm really excited. This will start growing again, and this is right now, this is a private rate, but if they go public, watch out. I mean, this is a what if scenario, but so far they're doing a really good job. So these guys know what they're doing. People tried to say that they were investigated by the by the government and stuff. They proved everything wrong, that they were fine, and they crossed their T's and dot their I's. So this is something really exciting, and I'm not an accredited investor. So this is why I invested in these guys to see what happens. Now, I'm not going to pocket this. This is stuff I could have had, in my bank account, or would have. But why not reinvest the dividends and let this thing grow? I mean, right now, the price, my dividends are increasing. I'm sorry, my shares are increasing, which is increasing my returns each month. So I'm just going to keep on reinvesting and keep on going. I mean, this is enough to maybe pay for my electric bill in my apartment complex right now, but I'm just going to keep on going. So here's my dividends right now. This is in July 2019, and then this is $36.12, and then August it's going up, then September, and this is when there was a big holdup right over here because people were they were just an overcrowding of investors. So now they have all this money that they can start putting into new buildings and everything. So look at this. This is growing right now. So it started off at $36. Now it's $37. So now I'm almost at the area where each month I'm going to be making almost a dollar more. So this is what's really exciting. It's just going to increase over time, and I'm just going to keep on reinvesting my dividends. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you guys don't miss future videos. I have an M1 Finance account. I have an E-Trade account. I do stock analysis and technical analysis on my videos on my stocks that I purchase. And I show you why that I think that they're a good stock and that you should have them in their dividend portfolio. I also have a Fundrise account. I give you updates as I reinvest my dividends to see how my account is doing, just in case if you have an idea or if you want to expand your portfolio in Fundrise. You guys have been amazing subscribers. I'm right at the 3,000 mark. You guys have been very active on my channel. You guys have been sharing my videos around. Feel free to share it if you think this is a hot stock and show it to your friends. And thank you guys for being so active. This channel hit 30,000 views yesterday, and it's just growing. So I'm really excited to grow this channel and empower you guys and help you generate passive income and have a nice dividend portfolio. So this is why I show videos on things that I invest in. I don't want you to make the same mistakes I did buying penny stocks and hoping the market would do well. It's not going to be like that. You get dividends, the dividends reinvest over time, you generate passive income. That's a nice extra source of income while you're working or you're close to retirement. So this is why I made this video. So I'm glad again to show you guys some great stocks. So I will be posting a video shortly on eBay that I made a purchase on. I also did Kroger as well. So I took advantage of that. So I will show a video on that shortly. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell so that you don't miss the video. So again, let's make some money. I'll show you how to live frugal. I'll give you examples on ways to live frugally and lose weight. I just made a video on how to reduce water prices. I'm pretty sure I was down 10% on my water usage compared to last year. So that's really convenient for my bill. So thank you again, guys. You have been amazing. You guys have a good day and start making some cash. The stocks are down. Throw that money in.